hindi umalis ng walang championship. Kahit yung mga offers, hindi ko na masyadong pinapansin kasi yung Ateneo mo na yung focus ko for now.
Sorry, Casey, wala ko nung start. Pero yung sa Gilas, you've been busy. Kakabalik mo lang from the W Series and then yung World Cup. What does it mean for you yung historic win yung sa World Cup?
It means a lot to me. Not just for me, pero for the whole country, di ba? Kasi yun, Asia Cup, we got the silver medal, and yun din, we got to represent the Philippines sa world stage. Yun, super laking achievement din for me. And, we got a win pa, so I think Philippine women's basketball is really like growing.
Casey, may bago na kayong coach sa Gilas Women. Have you met him? What can you tell us about him so far kung nagkita na kayo ni coach?
He's pretty chill. I like him. Parang kaka-practice lang din naman namin kanina. So, I don't know, we'll see. Pero yeah, I like him. I like how he coaches us.
Last question na lang for me, Casey. Siguro paano yung motivation mo in terms of individual growth, knowing na yun nga, nakadalawang MVP ka na and ang dami mo na rin nakakalaban na mas mataas yung level eh. But going back to the UAAP, parang how do you stay motivated? Nantuloy-tuloy lang yung development mo kahit alam mong isa ka na sa pinaka-dominante sa liga.
Siguro, tawanan mo ako. Siguro, iniisip ko lang din na kung ano yung makaka-help sa Ateneo community and sa teammates ko. Like, gusto ko na parang iwan talaga ako ng mabuti. Like, magandang legacy sa Ateneo.
Good?